Hi, this is Beverly from Career Connections. Many times we get the question, how do I connect with people on LinkedIn? There are many good reasons to connect with individuals and build your network. Whatever the reason, make sure that you've reviewed that individual's LinkedIn profile, understand their background, and request a connection. However, don't be so quick to hit that connect button. Etiquette says that the best way to connect is by including a simple message. You don't have to overcomplicate the message. One, just introduce yourself. Two, mention anything that you might have in common. And three, express why you would like to connect. This is how your message might read. Hi, my name is Beverly. I see we're connected with Jeff from TV. I recently saw you at the Smith Job Fair, and I'd love to connect with you here on LinkedIn. Simple. Send your request and wait for the other party to accept and respond. One other tip. While job hunting, be wary of connecting with recruiters by asking for a job. Ensure you're connecting with them if you have had a past history or maybe have met them recently and have been invited to connect. A professional platform like LinkedIn means always keep things professional. Let us know how this works out for you and join us at our next Career Connections events. Good luck.